This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by clarifying intent and collecting seeds so your research is focused. First, choose whether you want informational, transactional, or local queries. This decides metrics to prioritize. Next, paste 10-20 seed keywords or competitor URLs into your prompt to give Chatgpt context. Once done, tell the model the target country and language plus a minimum search volume filter. Make sure to include desired SERP features like featured snippets or maps to guide suggestions. Now you expand seeds into a usable list. Ask Chatgpt to produce clusters, long-tail phrases, and question forms, and to label each with likely search intent. This groups topics for content planning. Once Chatgpt returns results, request priority tags, low, medium, high, based on relevance and competition cues. Then export the top 30 candidates and validate them with your keyword tool for exact search volume and difficulty. This prevents chasing low-value terms and refines focus. Finish by converting keyword clusters into action. Make content briefs that include title, target keyword, intent, CTA, and a simple outline. This speeds writing and SEO. Then prioritize and schedule pages into your content calendar and set 30-90-day audits to measure rankings and clicks. If Chatgpt outputs are vague or inconsistent, give specific examples and demand a stricter CSV-style format. This troubleshooting step forces clearer, repeatable results and saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.